Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to episode number 7 of Chainsaw Man. Last episode we got to see Denji going in to pretty much get devoured by that devil, as we have Aki that got stabbed, I believe, right, by that crazy girl. Everybody's pretty much losing it. They want Denji to go sacrifice himself because the devil said, the Eternity Devil, if I remember, said that if they give up Denji, then everybody else will be able to go out of that little trance that they are going on. Denji's like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna go and do what I do best. And so he's pretty much getting ready to transform into Chainsaw Man as he's getting devoured. But that's where we left off, so sit back, relax, let's get started on today's reaction video. Okay, so at this point, you know, Denji's gonna go all out, dude. I mean, it's either gonna be him and killing the devil, or it's just he's literally gonna die. But it looks like the devil's afraid of Chainsaw Man, like the literal embodiment of Chainsaw Man. So, god damn! And I think he's still on the inside of the Eternity Devil. But look at him, my boy's going crazy with them arms, bro. What the fuck? Oh no, I think this is on the outside there, because they're seeing everything that's going on. And at this point, they should even be they should feel bad, because they're... Yo, imagine like you're just sleeping and then you just see those faces just staring at you. Fuck that shit. My man is literally getting devoured. Either someone's gonna have to go in there and give him blood, or he's gonna die. Oh, so okay, so it looks like he... That's kind of gross though. Yeah, he has like an endless supply of blood though because of that devil. So in a way, it's in our favor. Dude, that is so sad though. Like I said before, imagine just seeing all your partners just continuously getting killed. I want to see who this gun devil is though. They're talking very highly. They're talking like this guy's unkillable. Like, you need to do it now.
アキ君、一緒にさ、民間に転職しない？かなりいい額でお誘い来てるんだ。10野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここかどっかで食べて、帰りは
She cares about him. She cares about him so much that she's willing to leave, like the agency, in order to still save his life. I mean, you can't say that she didn't try though. And I hope he does not die. Aki's just cool, man. And then he has endless blood. Exactly, and that's what I said before. It's pretty much endless at this point until they kill him. It's just a matter of time now though, because honestly, even this fight looks like it would be such a drag to be a part of. And now she's seeing the benefit of having Denji here, because if she thinks he's crazy enough to kill this gun devil guy, that means that Aki has a chance of staying alive, because she doesn't want him getting killed. So it's like I said, it's in everybody's favor to keep him alive. $3 days, dude. Is it cuddle time? It's cuddle time. Yo, I love cuddles. Damn. So Denji did it, yo. He actually managed to kill this devil. Nice. And they also got that piece. Dude, you better take a shower. And don't forget, he's supposed to get his kiss. My boy did all that work. He deserves his kiss. And she better keep her word. Because he's saved everybody. So. You know, fuck those two. Seriously. Yeah, they don't belong there. But she didn't sell out though, that's the difference. It has to be this week. So he likes Makima, obviously, and then she likes Aki. Do you like her? Oh. Do they think that Denji's gonna turn on them? There you go. Get the drinkies out. Where's the soju? They got food. It's nice that they're having like a little meal before all this stuff goes down, because if we're being honest, if this Gun Devil guy is truly that strong, a lot of these people are probably not going to be able to come back alive. Mochi bowls. He's like, later. No. No! Oh, dude. I don't know about that, Chief. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. Damn, dude, he's literally a high schooler. Facts. Oh, because he's a kid, dude. He's a baby. Amen and all of that. I have a feeling that she's gonna get super wasted. And if you're gonna be in that type of business, you have to get used to seeing people just come and go. Oh no. She's been around, bro. Oh no. Do you still want a kiss from that though? Oh. Makima. What if both of them get drunk and they both want to kiss Denji at the same time or something? Oh, you're in a bit of a pickle, my guy. Exactly. So it's just like, how do I play this so I don't look bad? Oh man, what are you gonna do? Brilliant. He's really trying to get both of these kisses, dude. I don't think it's gonna turn out the way he thinks it's gonna turn out. Yeah, she definitely knows something. Mm. Are they gonna try and get her drunk in order to reveal the secret?
私より飲んだら教えてあげる
Ooh.
すいません。生
Ooh. Schlumped. Himeno done. Aki done.
すいません
What if Makima can't get drunk, and that's why she's saying, if you can get more drunk than me, then I'll tell you the secret.
とっても少ないんだよ
Because I feel like that would be a possibility. Because she looks sober to me from what I'm looking at. Oh, she is done, bro.
おや
Oh, oh. Okay, boy. He got it like right there, but Makima's looking.
見られちゃった。
Oh no. Oh my god, bro.
この感触がした。
Ain't no way. This is actually. It's nice. It's soft.
なんだこれ。した
Yes, that's the only thing that's inside her mouth, my guy.
したじゃない。
This is either gonna make.
ゲロだ。
Oh. Oh no. Oh, dude, that's so disgusting. Imagine just kissing somebody and then that stuff just kind of just going down your throat. Oh, nah, bro. She probably just had too many. And Makima, the fact that Makima saw though is either gonna, I feel like either make her want Denji more or just, that's what I think. I think she's gonna want him more.
ストキスはゲロの味だぜ。
皆さん、マキマさんのおごりだから感謝をしましょうね。
人のお金で飲むお酒が一番美味しいですね。
ね
She's gonna go out looking for Denji,
デン
yeah.
ジ君は
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Himeno, she's still carrying Denji, dude, after everything that they were doing.
暗い。
Dude, she's still drunk. Mm. Ma'am,
デンジ君
ma'am,
それ。
this guy's probably so drunk right now too that he can't move, and she's drunk AF too, so they're both
そ
fucked.
ういや君マキマさんのことラブでしょ
Don't answer that. She's like, she's like, I'm
マ
here.
キ君もあんな照れちゃって
She's low-key jealous of Makima though. Both of the guys
牛
that want her, that want Makima is, you know, probably the guys that she has a crush on. Yo, what are we watching, dude? No, seriously, is this even anime anymore?
しちゃう
Episode was good. Denji ended up defeating the monster. They fought for 3 days straight in order for him to defeat that monster. They go back, they go for dinner, which is kind of nice because I feel like they need to kind of like regroup, enjoy each other's time, and kind of just, I guess, build bonds with, I think, another division. The fact that I also mentioned that Denji did what he was supposed to do, so Himeno was supposed to give him a kiss, and so he did get his kiss, but it was filled with throw up. Surprisingly, Makima outdrank everybody. She looked pretty sober to me, so I don't know if she can actually get drunk. That's my thing. But it turns out that Himeno also took Denji back to her place, and now things are getting spicy. Both of them are drunk. Denji doesn't really know what's going on. Himeno thinks she knows what she's doing, and I don't think it's gonna end well. And in the end of that dialogue, she whispered, "Do you wanna do it?" In my head, I know exactly what she means. I think she's trying to fuck. I know he's gonna want it, but hopefully he does not do it. He probably won't remember it because of how drunk he is. I don't think it'd be a good idea for him to just do that right now, honestly. All right, but this is where we're gonna leave off for today's episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'm gonna leave all my socials down below, and I'll see you guys then for the next reaction video. Peace.